Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Not sure if you can hear, it's raining very heavily outside my house right now. I like cooking while it is raining. Got a bit of ambience. Alright, now, today, couple of days ago actually, Appa eaten a dish outside in one of the restaurants. They are actually making a chicken stew with bitter melon with salted black bean. Today, Appa is going to attempt to make a similar dish because it tastes really good. But I'm going to change the chicken over to pork ribs. Yeah, so I have some spare ribs here. I have already rinsed under water for a couple of rounds to wash away the excessive blood. Yeah. So after that, we leave it aside. We are going to prep the spare ribs shortly. Then, of course, it's the bitter melon. Yeah, the bitter melon actually turns out to be really tasty in that particular dish. Just make sure you remove the whitish part in the middle. Yeah, that is very, very bitter. That is a source of bitterness. I have some chili. This is more for garnishing. And let's take a look at this. So what do we have here? I have approximately 1 tablespoon of each, or maybe 1 teaspoon, slightly over 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of minced fresh coriander roots, 1 teaspoon of minced white portion of spring onion, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of minced salted black bean. The salted black bean, it is the main flavor here. Very unique, very nice flavor. And of course, I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Or you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. As requested by a lot of you, you like to see all the sauce I'm using at one glance. So very quickly, I'm going to show you. I have some light soya sauce, some Shaoxing wine, sugar, salt, white pepper, dark soya sauce, and some cornstarch. Of course, you need water. Now, after you wash your ribs, yeah, we need to actually. Oh, by the way, I gotten the seller to cut it into chunks like this, yeah. Then we need to quickly marinate it. Very simple. Give it a little bit of light soya sauce. Then we will give it some cornstarch. This cornstarch will help to make your spare ribs become more tender. Yeah, especially it will give one layer of smoothness on the surface of your pork ribs later. Oh, I almost forgot. We will need some oyster sauce. Yeah, we will need some oyster sauce for this dish also. So first of all, get a wok. Give it some oil. We're going to saute all the fresh herbs first. Let's heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in all the fresh herbs we cut just now. Now, if you prefer this to be a bit spicy, of course, you can put in some chili powder if you like. Huh? There's no rules in Appa's kitchen, yeah? You're going to get all the flavor out from all these herbs, fresh herbs. We'll come back shortly. Next thing, we can put in the bitter melon and the ribs. Let me adjust the focus a bit. Very fragrant right now. Next thing, put some Shaoxing wine. And some filtered water. Always recommended to use hot water if you have it, because then you won't reduce the temperature of your wok too much. Now we can put in some seasoning, some oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Some of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder, made out of 100% natural ingredient, yeah? No MSG inside. What else? 2 rounds of light soya sauce. Some dark soya sauce. This dish is quite dark actually. Some fine salt, a bit of sugar, few dishes of white pepper, almost done this dish actually. Next thing is just to let it reduce by itself and it is done. Probably you want to do some starch solution, that's all. Let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiled, close it with a lid, tune it down to medium-low or medium-low heat and cook it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So this is after about 20 minutes. Everything has thickened up, very nice. I don't think I need to starch it at all. Look at how beautiful this dish becomes. Perfect. So 15 to 20 minutes. Don't let the water to dry out before too fast, yeah? Oh, one more thing. I haven't put in this, the chili. Wow, this will go very well with white porridge especially actually. White rice also perfect. Alright, now we can serve. Right, I hope you like my very simple spare ribs stew recipe today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.